Hey guys, what's going on and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be removing the seats out of the Fox Body Mustang. And I know what you guys are thinking. Why are we going to be doing this? The reason is because I need to fix the issue with the factory sound deadening. And as you guys can see right here, it's coming apart. The vehicle is over 30 years old and a lot of the factory material is beginning to break down. So we need to fix this. At the same time, by adding a little bit of sound deadening to this vehicle, it's going to enhance the overall sound of the speakers. Because right now the door, while it sounds pretty solid, we can make it sound better. We can make this thing sound like a Volt. And I understand and I feel where you guys are coming from when I say that sound deadening a convertible may be a waste of money because it's got no roof and you always have a lot of wind noise, or the top is always down. But a little bit of sound deadening is a big help. And at the same time, I need to get these seats off the vehicle so that way I can make my speaker wiring and everything go a lot smoother. Not only that, it's going to allow me to do a full inspection of the floor pans to make sure that there's no rust, that there's no problems, and it's going to also let me get into the deep cleaning of the vehicle because this vehicle is 30 years old. It has a unique smell, and I think my wife calls it old vehicle smell. It's very unique, so I'm going to try my best to clean this up and see if we can make this smell a little bit newer. It's never had mold issues. It's never had water issues. The vehicle only has like 45,000 original miles. So, and it's been garage kept its whole life. But I don't know why it's got that old car smell. But we're going to try and address that. So let's go ahead. Let's get these seats out of the car and start working on the sound. Luckily, it's not that hard to get these seats out of here. They're only held on by 15 millimeters here front. And then in the rear, there's two of them. There's no power tracks, but there is a power lumbar. So we're going to have to disconnect that as soon as we get the seat completely unbolted. Now, at the same time, these are the original seats that came with the car. The condition of them is really, really good, actually. A little bit of wear somewhere here, just getting in and out of the vehicle. And this one has one little puncture right there. That seat over there is in perfect condition. The extended leg rest still works. I was debating on whether or not I should reupholster these seats. I'm a big fan of the Ford Mustang Mach seats, the ones with the red stripes in there. So just asking you guys for advice. Do you guys think I should reupholster this with the Ford Mach 1 seats? If you think I should, then I'll go ahead and I'll do that. But I think these original leather seats or pleather seats or vinyl, whatever, I don't know what this is, I think these are in really, really good condition. I mean, this doesn't even have any wear marks on it. Solid seats. And of course, life can't be simple. As you guys can see, this one over here I had to hit with some WD-40. Same thing with this one. Luckily, just get yourself some WD-40. Just put it on there a little bit. Let it absorb, and then go to the underside of the vehicle. You guys will see right where it's at, right there. Just give it some WD-40 up under here. Give it some love, and then slowly go at it. I recommend switching over to hand tools at this point and just very, very slowly start breaking it free. Last thing you want to do is strip this thing or break that bolt in there. This has never come off the vehicle, so it's on there factory tight. And of course, if WD-40 doesn't work, we're not going to hit it with the torch because A, carpet, big fire, B, just put WD-40, big fire. So we're going to use this adjustable breaker bar that I have, which is really, really nice. If you guys don't have an adjustable breaker bar, what you can do is use your normal one and then just put a piece of pipe extending this out. It gives you more torque over the distance because it's going to be the length of it plus the force you're applying. It's going to be double it depending on the length. So this is going to allow me to break this thing free, and you want to take it slow. Like I said, you don't want to bust a nut and you don't want to totally strip everything. Alright, so that was a project and a half. Those two were on there tighter than Gorilla freaking glue. So now I'm going to go ahead, I got this floor mat off, let's get that floor mat off. Then we're going to take off the side rails. The two side rails are held on by Phillips heads. And then of course we can start lifting all this up and seeing where all of these chintzy speaker wires. This is literally home speaker wires right here. This is a horrible install. And look at all this. This is disaster. Why didn't he just run it through the same spot he was running everything through? So let's go do this. Oh sweet! 10 cents! This video is sponsored by Underneath Your Floor Mats. Out of curiosity, this dime is from 1965. So that means one of two things. Either this is a time machine, or this is a really, really old dime. You guys tell me. What do you think? I think this may be a DeLorean. Yep, confident. I'm 100% confident this is a DeLorean. And I have a feeling as soon as I get it all back together, I'll be able to go back in time and fix 90% of the mistakes I made. Part that everybody is as equally as excited as I am to see what is underneath this. Not gonna lie, this is kind of like taking your final exam in school and the grades are about to be posted. I'm a little bit nervous, not gonna lie. Let's see if the car really did live its life inside a garage. Holy cow, that's clean. Get this up. So as you guys can see here, the car is in mint, and I use that term proudly. Mint condition. Floor pans are perfect. This is a real 45,000 mile Mustang. And it's a shame Jacob won't own this. Shame, because this ketchup color and the convertible would complement that slow PT Cruiser that Yuri drives. Now let's go check that side over there, because I think I may have got a pass. Oop, let's go around the dog. I think I may have got a pass on the passenger side, but what about the driver's side? Let's see what's up. We're good. Spider. That's always comforting. Oh, there's the speaker wires. And it's mint. This side actually has some sound deadening stuff in it. How about that? Alright, so now let's go ahead, let's get the center console out of here. As you guys can see, this is the factory rear delete, rear armrest delete. I actually did buy and restore an armrest. It's over there. So you guys tell me, would you guys prefer to see the armrest go back onto the vehicle or keep the delete? There's a big difference between the two. This you can actually put your arm in and you guys can open it up and put some nice cassettes in there to listen to while you're driving. It also flips back. It's heavy as heck. And this is just nothing. So you guys tell me which one. Or we can put the dog inside the car. So I think I'll be needing a whole new center console because this part right there is shot, and then this was held on by electrical tape. So I think it is time for possibly a new center console. That's a shame, because that's a factory one right there. I mean, I can try fix it, we'll give it the college try, and we'll see how well this pans out. So now we got to get this whole thing out of here, but to get out of there, we got to open this up. And yes, that is the original owner's manual for the Mustang. Gonna squeeze over here, squeeze over here. And then that's gonna give us access to those. Same thing over on the other side. What is that? Jesus Christ. Look at the size of those. What the hell type of sound system was in here? Oh my god, look at this rat's nest. Jesus Christ almighty. am I looking at? Oh, man. And then you get greeted to this. This is when I get stressed out. When I see stuff like this. Look at this rat's nest. Oh boy. Well, the factory stuff is still here. Interesting. There you go, guys. That's the sign of a quality radio install right there. Electrical tape holding on that. What a joke. So if you guys are interested in content like this, make sure you guys click the subscribe button and click the bell notification, because I don't upload on a normal YouTube schedule. I would love to have you guys part of this Fox Body community and part of the entire Fox Body community. And I'll catch you guys next time. Take care.